everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Blair. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Today I wanted to share all of my favorite products from Charlotte Tilbury. If you have seen any of my other videos, you may know that Charlotte Tilbury is my favorite makeup brand. She's my favorite makeup artist. I just love her whole brand aesthetic. I love the way she does makeup and how glowy and kind of lit from within all of her makeup looks are. So I love her makeup products. And today I wanted to share a few of my absolute favorite things. If I had to pick out of my collection, these are the products that I would 100% recommend. I wanted to mention these in case maybe you haven't tried anything from Charlotte and you're curious about what her best products are. So hopefully this is helpful. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I do post new videos every Wednesday and Friday. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my favorite Charlotte Tilbury makeup products. My first product is probably one of her most well-known products, and it probably won't come as a surprise to most people. It's the Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is the perfect product if you like a lit from within look. It's not a shimmery product, it's just a very radiant product. And what's great about this is you can wear this under your foundation, you can mix this into your foundation. So if you have maybe more of a mattifying foundation that you want a little bit more of a glow to, you can mix this in and it really does make a huge difference. I mix this in with her Airbrush Flawless Foundation all the time, and it just gives you a little more glow, not so dry and matte looking. You can also use this as your highlight and just apply it over your foundation. I do that sometimes as well. This is just a great product. I am in the shade 2. I can also wear the shade 3, but I have to have a good bit of sun to wear that shade. Most of the time I'm in the shade 2. But I just absolutely love this product. It's so easy to apply. I honestly use my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush and just blend it in really quickly all over my face, or in the places where I want more of a glow. I'll usually do the top of my cheekbones, the center of my nose, my chin, my forehead, and that's typically where I'll apply it, or I'll mix it in with my foundation. But this, I just love this product. To me, I love a glow though. So if you don't like a glow to your face, you're probably not gonna love this. It does have a doe foot applicator, which I know some people aren't crazy about doe foot applicators and products like this, but it doesn't bother me. I actually really like it. I think it makes it pretty easy to apply to your face. But I would highly recommend this. This is just one of those staple products that I just think everybody should have. This is great in the summer. Everybody loves that glow in the summertime, but it's also good in the winter because most of us do typically get a little more dry, and foundation can look a little dry on your skin. So this is great for winter time as well. So I would highly, highly recommend this product. So my next favorite is actually a newer product from Charlotte, and it's her new Magic Vanish Corrector. So I am kind of a corrector freak because I always use a color corrector under my eyes no matter what. Even on super light makeup days, I still will apply a corrector under my eyes. I am the type of person that always has dark blue, purple circles under my eyes. It really makes no difference if I get 12 hours of sleep. It makes no difference. I always have them. So I have been using this quite a bit. I have mine in the shade Fair, but another thing I love about this is it does come in 4 different shades. So there's Fair, which is what I have, there's Medium, there is Deep, and then there's Dark. So that's great to have different skin tones so everybody can use this. It also comes with a cute little mirror. What's great about this is a lot of times correctors that are in like a pot or in compacts like this can be super, super drying. but this one is not. I don't notice any cakey or crackiness under my eyes when I use this, but it does give really, really great coverage. I've been using this a ton. I will typically use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Corrector, which is in a tube, and you kind of brush it on. So that has been my favorite corrector for a long time, but I have been reaching for this one ever since I got this. So I would highly recommend this if you need a new corrector, or maybe you're new to corrector. I always say it, but Corrector is a game changer if you have issues with circles under your eyes. So I would highly recommend this product. So this next product, I have two of them in two different colors, and I love them both. They are her Cheek to Chic blushers. I have the shade Pillow Talk and the shade Ecstasy. These are such beautiful blushes. To me, I could not pick between the two of these. This color is more of a winter fall color to me, and then Ecstasy is more of summer spring. So I love them both. I do have Pillow Talk on today, and I love these blushes. They're so radiant looking. I typically don't love a matte blush. I don't mind them, but if I had my choice, I do like a little bit of radiance pretty much in all of my face products, and this gives me exactly that. It is the perfect amount of color, and it's great because you can either only use the outer ring and get that mauve-y Pillow Talk color, or you can mix the two and it adds a little more glow, or you can use the outer rim for the cheek and then pop this is more of a champagne highlighter shade on the apples of your cheeks, and it really gives you that glow. So I just love these. I use these all the time. I honestly want to pick up more colors, but they're just super easy to use, and they look great on your skin. They're just pigmented enough, not to the point where you have to worry about using a super light hand, but they do definitely give pretty good color payoff. I just love them. I think they're great, totally worth the money, and I would highly recommend them. My next favorite I had to think about for a while before including it in this video, just because it is a pretty pricey product, but out of all of them that I own, this is definitely my favorite, and it is her new Starry Eyes to Hypnotize palette. It's the holiday palette that came out a month or two ago. I have been reaching for this all the time. I love it so much. It comes with 4 kind of color stories, I guess. You have more of a neutral, a pinky color story, green, and then more of a blue smoky out here. But these colors, these shadows in general, I just love. I do have it on my eyes today. I have a combination of this first grouping, the Happy Glow, and then the pink Love Glow. I have a little bit of both of those on my eyes today. This palette, I've done a whole video review of this palette with swatches, and I did a look in that video that I'll link for you if you have not seen it. But basically, each of the 4 groupings comes with a prime shade, an enhanced shade, and a smoke shade. So you can use them, like just use the 3 colors, or you can mix them like I did today. They all go together so well, and they're just, I don't know. I have a ton of Charlotte palettes, but to me, this one is just beautiful. It was one of those that when I saw the pictures when it first came out, I really didn't have to think about it. I bought it immediately. I know it's expensive. It is $75, but to me, it's totally worth the money. The packaging is beautiful. I just love it. I absolutely love it. And I could not make this video and not include that palette, because to me, that is her standout eyeshadow palette. I love it so much. And it is, like I said, what I have on today. I've been reaching for it a ton, and I would highly recommend it. Also, her eyeshadows, for me, are very easy to blend. I don't have any trouble with patchiness or anything like that. And all of her colors just, I don't know, they just always meld together so well to me. And this palette is no exception. I love them all. I love how versatile the color story is on these. This palette is a lot of shimmer. So there's really only two matte colors, this brown and this rosy color. And this black shade is pretty matte, but I do think it has a tiny bit of shimmer to it. But everything else is a glitter shadow. So if you hate shimmer on your eyes, definitely don't spend your money on this. But if you like a little bit of shimmer, I would highly, highly recommend this palette. My next favorite is kind of a random product. This is one that I don't hear many people talking about, but I personally really love this, and it is her classic eye powder pencil. This one is the brown one that I have, and I just love this. It's a really pretty, kind of a golden brown, and it is exactly what it says. It's a pencil that is actually a powder. So when you put it on your eyes, it looks like an eyeshadow would look as liner. I do really love using eyeshadow as my eyeliner. So this is kind of like the best of both worlds, because with this, it's already in a pencil form. So you can just quickly run this along your lash line and you're good to go. You can use this and not be super precise, which is what I love. It's quick and easy, and it's a powder, so it's not as harsh as like a liquid eyeliner can be. So that's what I love about this. It's so quick, so easy. The color is great. It does also come in black, but I typically will choose brown over black if I have the option. But this is a great everyday product. Like I said, I don't hear many people talking about this. I feel like this is one of her kind of underrated products, but I use this all the time. I am much more likely to use a pencil like this than I am a liquid eyeliner. Now, I do use liquid liner for certain looks that I do. I've done a few here on my channel, but for every day, I prefer a more natural kind of muted eyeliner look, which is exactly what a powder gives you. So I would highly, highly recommend this if you are maybe looking for an easy eyeliner. Maybe you're a beginner with eyeliner. This would be a great option. For my last favorite is actually a lip combo. So I tried to only pick one lip product, but I couldn't do it. I have so many from her that I love, but this is my favorite combo. It's what I have on my lips today. And it is the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk and the Hot Lips 2 lipstick in Dancefloor Princess. This combo together is the perfect pinky nude, in my opinion. This lip liner, I know this is everywhere. This is one of her most iconic products for sure. And there's a reason why. It's just the prettiest rosy nude. There it is right there. For me, this is very close to my natural lip color, so I just really love this because it looks very natural. Even though it's a lip liner, it does look pretty natural on your lips. And honestly, I do use this sometimes and just fill in my whole lip with it and then put a little bit of a lip gloss on top, and that's it. So I do that a lot. But together, these two, I love. This is the Hot Lips 2 Dancefloor Princess lipstick. Every time I swatch this, I'm just like, oh, this is the perfect pinky nude. And this combo together is so, so perfect. I love this so much. And I also just love this Hot Lips 2 packaging. I mean, her lipstick packaging, any of her lipsticks, is so pretty and it's heavy. It's just really, really good quality. But these Hot Lips 2 that have the different kind of designs and colors, I just love them so, so much. Definitely going to pick up another one of these, I think, during the Sephora sale. But I would highly recommend this formula from her for sure. And this combo, if you like pinky nudes, this combo is perfect. So that's going to be it for this video. I just really wanted to share all my favorite Charlotte products because, like I said, she is my absolute favorite makeup artist and I just love her brand and her products. But these are definitely my go-to favorites. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Charlotte Tilbury product is or what you are dying to try from her. I hope this was helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I do post new videos every Wednesday and every Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Also, make sure to follow me over on Instagram at simply.blair. Thank you again for being here and for supporting my channel. Remember, simply be you, and I will see you in my next video.